Good afternoon, student. Welcome to our online class, Standard 6, Science Unit 2, Water. Already we have seen about in this lesson water. Water in the human body, learning objectives, introduction, where do we get water from, availability water, where and how water is found on the earth. These all are the topics we have already seen. Now see the water cycle. What is water cycle? Water cycle is how we get the sources of water. Okay, first overhead tank in Panchayat board. Next rain, precipitation, rain clouds, rain, hand pump, water tap, collecting water, washing, brushing teeth, bathing, clouds, condensation, evaporation, again water vapor. Okay, the rivers of water vapor in the vaporization of lake, pond, river. The river, pond and lake are the surface of the water. Okay, these water are to change into a water vapor and settle in the clouds. Okay, this is the sources, usage and water cycle. Next we have see the next topic, composition of water. Water is the transparent, tasteless, odorless and nearly colorless chemical substance. Yes, water is a transparent, it is a tasteless and a odorless. It is composed of two atoms. What are the two atoms? Hydrogen combined with one atom of oxygen. The formula of water is H2O. H2O is a formula of water. However, the physical composition of water changes from place to place. It can be clear or cloudy, oxygenated or not very oxygenated, and it can be fresh or salty. This water is two types. One is fresh water and another one is salty. The amount of salt water is termed as salinity. The salt water is otherwise named as salinity or saline water. Based on the salinity, water is classified into three main categories such as fresh water, brackish water and sea water. Fresh water contain 0.05 percentage to 1 percentage of salt. Brackish water contain up to 3 percentage of salt, and sea water contains more than 3 percentage of salt. Ocean is composed of many substances. The salt include sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride, because the sea water is very salty in nature. Yes, do you know? See the box, children. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius at normal pressure. Every year, March 22nd is observed the World Water Day. The year 22, March 22nd is observed as the World Water Day. Okay. Next one, water cycle. Ocean, groundwater flow, groundwater, soil moisture, surface flow, ice. Then the water will get the ocean evaporation, ocean precipitation. Then it's changed into the ocean to land water vapor transport, atmosphere. Again the soil moisture, percolation, vegetation, evaporation, transpiration, land precipitation. Okay, surface flow, rivers and lakes. Next, water cycle. The water on the earth evaporates into the atmosphere due to the heat of the sun. The water vapor in the atmosphere forms cloud. The clouds water falls on the earth in the form of rain or snow. By this natural process, water gets renewed. This is called a water cycle. Yes, in the Himalayas or mountain region, the water will change into a snow. Jammu and Kashmir, such a like area is a snow forms only there. In our country, the rain will be come rainwater. Water cycle is a continuous process. It involves three stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. It is also called the hydrological cycle. These three stages are called as a hydrological cycle. First one, evaporation. Water from oceans, lakes, ponds and rivers evaporates due to the heat of the sun. It is called a evaporation. Next, condensation. Water vapor which enters in the atmosphere by evaporation moves upward with air getting cooled and changes into tiny water droplet that form clouds in the sky is called a condensation. Precipitation. The millions of tiny droplets collide with one another to form large droplets. When the air around the cloud is cool, these drops of water fall in the form of snow or rain. This is the three stages named as hydrological cycle. The three stages name is called evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Next one, have you heard of transpiration? It is a process of loss of water from the aerial parts of the plant in vapor form. This is the continuous cycle of water and it exists in three forms in nature. Water evaporating from lakes, rivers and ocean forms the gaseous state. Rainwater forms the liquid states. Snow on mountains and polar ice caps forms the solid state. These three states occur in nature, keep the total amount of water on the earth constant even when the whole world is using it. Okay, how do you know that atmosphere has water vapor? Let us do the following activity. Okay children, next topic is 2.6, natural sources of fresh air. Yes, now we will see the next class about in this topic. Okay, now I stopped this lesson children. We will see in the next class natural sources of fresh water. Okay, thank you children.